Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to give you an update on the Fleming International Airport. Now, American Airlines Flight 4007, that's American Airlines Flight AA4007, landed for the first time landed at the Fleming International Airport. Now, this airport is located in Boscobel in St. Mary. However, the address it's listed as Ocho Rios because Ocho Rios is a more popular area. So, this airport is the third international airport in Jamaica. It was upgraded from the Boscobel Aerodrome back in 2006. But the runway at this airport, it's not as long as the runways at the Sangster International Airport or the Norman Manley International Airport. So it can't land a 737 or a 747. It has to land the smaller planes that can take like between 70 and 72 passengers. Now, the runway at the Fleming International Airport is 1,454 meters long. 1,454 meters long. The runway at the Sangster International Airport is 3,060 meters long. So that is the major drawback to this airport. Now, the airport actually opened in 2011, and Jimmy Buffett from Margaritaville was the first person to fly into this airport. They started work on the airport at a cost of $300 million to upgrade it from an aerodrome to an international airport. And I think I'd said 2006, but it was the work started on upgrading it in 2009, and the airport officially opened in 2011. Now, what happened is the airport was built to accommodate the smaller planes because the runway was not long enough for the big planes, so they wanted people to fly in on the smaller planes, but it never worked. The airport didn't have a lot of traffic. At some points it had no traffic. There were no scheduled flights coming in, and so that's why with American Airlines coming in now, and they're going to be flying to this airport twice per week, and hopefully they'll add more flights later on. But as we said, the only plane it can't land the larger planes, so its planes carrying about 72 people. Now, for the inaugural flight of flight AA4007, former Minister of Transport Robert Montague was on the plane, and he came down with the flight because he was instrumental in getting the airport built. Boscobel is actually his constituency. So guys, let us know what you think about American Airlines coming. Now, American Airlines was to come from 2022, but they finally came in 2024. So we'll keep an eye on this project, and where the footage you're looking at is actually the Northern Coastal Highway. Just giving you an update on this airport and what's going on there. We will show you the actual footage of the airport in a few days. But we have lots of videos up on this channel and our other channel, Jamaica in 5, that show the actual airport, the runway, and what's going on with it. So you can check that out. But we will give you an update video of what's going on at the airport. Update video of the airport basically in a few days. Alright guys, let us know what you think about this airport. Do you think it's going to continue to grow with more flights? Let us know. Alright guys, have a good day.